Oh, this is an interesting one. I don't know how this is going to go, but I'm excited. So I use tape all the time on this channel. I use white tape here, white paper tape to update the labels on my slate. I have long said that 1-inch black paper tape, masking tape, is the king of all tapes. And I was recently on the internets, and I came across this tape dispenser. This, which apparently automatically dispenses tape. I'm kind of curious, so I bought it. I have no idea if this is going to be useful to me. I was kind of got a kick out of the idea that it existed at all. So I was just about to crack it, and I thought, let's crack it on camera. Excellent. Comes with an American plug. The last product I bought did not. Oh, oiler. All right. Oh, roller. Interesting. Ah, 504 and 506. These parts are, if these parts wear out, the tape may fold, so you can put in new ones. They're already proactively adding in new ones. So, yeah, look at that. It's just nice and small. This is fascinating. Oh. Please use tweezers to remove the tape. Do not insert your fingers into the outlet. Fair enough. Don't have to tell me twice. All right. User's manual. There are 2 user manuals. Okay, here we go. We're gonna plug it in. Make sure the power switch is off. Power switch is off. And grounded outlet. Turn the power switch on. A buzzer will sound. At this moment, the mode is set to manual. Press the hold down roller release button. Wait. Hold down roller release button. You are pointing to the back. Whoops. You're pointing to the back side of this, and you're pointing to that. There we go. Place a roll of tape in the machine. Oh, that's a separator. Oh, fascinating. Oh, I see. I can have 2 of them. So I can have 2 rolls of tape. I like that. Tape feed roller. Tape feed roller. It's that. Okay, so I'm going to give myself a little slicey poo here. There you are. Tape feed roller. We're going to do this one too because I'm ambitious. Okay. No, you stick. Press the forward button until the tape comes out of the outlet. Forward button. Hold on. I'm pretty sure I know which one it is. Forward. There it is. Oh. Ooh, ooh, ha ha. Okay. Really? That's 30 millimeters. Yeah, that's 3 centimeters right there. Okay, so if I want an average of like 2 inches, I want like 60. Let's go up to 70. Oh man, that is freaking cool. I don't need both of these though, but holy cow. Okay, so then what is this thing? What does this stuff do? Oh, yeah. I'm really into this thing. This is great. But I don't need both of these things. So let's do that. And we'll put that back down. Excellent. Okay, so now I only get one piece of tape and it's the white stuff. That's great. I know, it's kind of crazy. It's ridiculous, but I love it. Oh, I see. Gotcha. That's how those move. Now I understand. That's the lower roller, and that's the thing. And that's, oh, I've got tweezers. Really? I've got integral tweezers in here? What? Crazy. Integral tweezers? That's ridiculous and perfect and amazing, and I'm really happy about that. And, oh, I guess you can put it so it sits down like that. Oh, yeah. Want another piece of tape? You can have 2, maybe 3. What? This, dude, this just for mold making, this is like a game changer. I'm pretty pleased with that, man. That's pretty awesome. It remains to be seen if this finds its way into my workflow. Not sure if it will. It's going to go live over by the tapes. There have been days in my making life when a machine that automatically dished out pieces of tape exactly how long I wanted them would have been an absolute, like, a genie showed up and granted me my greatest wish at that moment. As to whether or not this will help in my process, we'll see. But yeah, a quick and dirty show and tell. Oh, right. We'll include a link to this unit in the description.